What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another one. We have not been fishing for probably 2 weeks now because I decided to run my brand new Minn Kota PowerDrive trolling motor aground into some mud and screw it up. So what we'll be doing in this video is trying to figure out what's wrong with it. Steering still works, the hookup, Bluetooth, all that still works. The only thing that's wrong with it is the prop. I turn on the power to the prop, nothing. It says it's spinning, it's not spinning. I've already took off the prop and checked the inside to see if that key head broke when I hit the mud. That's all fine. Everything looks good, gears, everything inside there. So what I ended up doing was calling Minn Kota's customer service, which they did great, by the way, and they told me to take off the top head of the trolling motor and disconnect the wires from the control switch, and then run 12-volt power down those wires that go down to the lower unit and see if that turns the prop. And if that does, that means, okay, my control switch is bad. But if I hook up that power to those lines and it doesn't work, it means I probably screwed up something in my lower unit. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go grab some tools. We'll get this taken apart and hopefully it'll be a cheap fix. But stick around. Alrighty, well, it looks like those screws that hold the head on are Phillips head. So I don't know if I have one that's long enough. This is damn little thing, but we'll go see if that works. Hopefully it'll reach. Well, it looks to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty. Well, I don't have a clue what I'm looking at. But that is the inside. I'm guessing these are the 2 wires running down the shaft that I needed to test and see if they work. But if they don't work, they should go to a control switch, which makes me think is this right here. So we will find out. Okay, so I just pulled these sleeves back and they're just quick connects, so I'm gonna undo those and then I'm gonna go get some wire and hook those, touch them to negative and positive, and see if that'll spin the prop. All right, we're gonna come to the back of the boat and take out the main battery. That way I could hook that up and see if that'll work. Alrighty, so our battery's in here. Now we will take this up front. Okay. Alrighty. So move this out of the way. should be able to touch those negative and positive together, and we'll see if it works. Not together, but to the battery. Aha. So, I'll turn you around. And it spins. So, what that is telling me is that I have a bad control switch. So, I need to get my serial number and get that ordered. So, I'm gonna put everything back together and we'll start this video up again when I get that part, and we'll put that in, so stay tuned. Okay, so I went and watched a YouTube video, and I originally thought this was my control switch. Well, then I learned that this is my control switch. So what I did was took this apart, and what I did was I went and grabbed my remote, and what it said on my remote was motor problem. So what I did was I unplugged these main two powers, plugged them back in, repaired my remote, and now it works. So that's a quick and easy thing for you guys to look. That saves me some money. I wish I would have known that, because I would have been able to keep fishing that day. But I'm happy. It's not going to cost me anything. So now I'll put everything back together and we're good to go. If you guys have that problem, that could be something you might want to look at. That maybe it could be for you guys. So instead of freaking out like I did and about ready to push the pay now button and buy a whole new control board, you can try that, and hopefully that works for you. So that's awesome. Hopefully that helps somebody. So thank you for watching.